we are back with another build. Come on inside and I'll show you around. All right, driver and passenger seat do have the swivel seats. We've got the Van Wife headliner shelf. The Lagoon table does extend out, giving you a little more space. It does have the cup holder in the middle as well. Overhead storage. The Max Air fan up top. A stainless steel refrigerator. Under fridge storage. Of course, the shower. And that shower head does have an on-off switch so that you're saving water while you're in here. The kitchen area has this convenient little pull-out table for you to sit at. Pushes away super easy when you're done using that. Overhead storage above the bed. Also, above the bed, love this feature, we have a skylight above the bed, letting all that natural light in, as well as allowing the customer to be able to see the stars while they're out camping. This does have a twin size memory foam mattress, the Acacia Butcher Block countertops with the tap water and the filtered water, of course, the extended countertop. On the exterior of the van, there's an awning mounted directly to the roof rack, the side steps, and check out these tires. These are the Black Rhino Yellowstone in the matte gunmetal color, as well as the Ridge Grappler tires. All right, and in the garage of the van, we have the hot water heater on the right side, the outdoor shower port. The water tank has been left exposed so you can see the water level in the tank. And on this side, all of your electrical component needs. Thanks for joining me on this week's Van Tour Tuesday. We'll see you next week.